How to reset Discord account password. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from our channel. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Discord application on your device. Once you open up, you'll be able to see this interface. So at the lower button, there are two options, register and login. You have to simply go for login option. And here is the text box for entering your information associated with your Discord account. Since we are trying to reset a new password, you have to simply tap on forget your password option over here. Before that, you need to enter your email or phone number at the first text box, so simply tap and enter. And before that, you need to confirm that you are a human, so simply tap and confirm. And for that, you need to solve this puzzle, so go for it. So once you are verified, you will be able to see this pop-up. So here it said that we sent instruction to change your password to your Gmail account. So you have to check your inbox and you have to go through the process. So simply tap on OK and go for your Gmail account. Here you can see Discord has sent me an email for resetting my password. So simply tap on reset password option from over here and you will be opened up to a browser. So finally, here is a text field for entering a new password. You have to simply tap on that and enter a new password that you want to set. And once you're done, you can go for change password option. And finally, the password has been changed. You can continue to Discord. So this is how you reset Discord account password. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.